How to remove malware and viruses from your Android phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove malware and viruses from your Android phone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So to remove your malware from your Android phone, the first step is disconnect your device from your Wi-Fi and mobile data. For that, you can simply swipe down from the top and there you'll find your Wi-Fi and mobile data option. Turn it off. After you turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data, you will not be connected to any network. If you want, you can also remove your SIM card for this. After you've done that, you'll need to uninstall any suspicious apps and files. For that, you can head over to Settings, locate your Settings app, open it up, and there you should find the Apps option. Tap on Apps and then tap on See All Apps. After you're there, you can then check for any apps that are not usually there, but it just looks unfamiliar and then just appeared out of nowhere. If you find such apps, you can simply delete it. I'll show you an example. So let's say that this is an app that was not in my device previously. This is just an example. Open it up, then tap on the uninstall button and then tap on OK. Then the app will get deleted. Do this for all the apps that you think should not be on your device. And after if an app's uninstall button is grayed out, it may have device administrator rights. So what you can do is go to your settings. So let's head back to our settings homepage. Go to security. Let's scroll down. There you find security and privacy. Tap on it. Then scroll down. And there you should find your device admin apps. If you don't find it, tap on more security and privacy. And after you scroll down, you'll find the device admin apps. Tap on it. And from here, if there are any apps, you can try to disable it and then try to uninstall it. So after you've done that, you can head back. And one other step is clearing out your browser data. So go to the browser settings, make sure that you're using the browser that you normally use. So in my case, I'll just open up Google Chrome. And after you're there, tap on the three dots on the top right. Tap on your settings. After you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is you will need to clear out its cache and remove any malicious scripts or downloaded files. So what you can do is go to your privacy and security. From there, tap on delete browsing data. Then delete your data. After you've deleted your browsing history, cookies, and your cache, you're good to go. And that's the basic steps that you can take. The other thing that you can do is if your device is already compromised, you can delete all of your personal information, back up your important data as well before that, and then simply perform a reset. Erase all data and then wipe your phone completely. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you remove malware and viruses from your Android device. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.